Imagine turning your daily scrolling on TikTok into a money-making machine. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how I've done it and how you can do it too. TikTok Shop is exploding right now and I'm seeing incredible results, like $15,000 promoting these smart glasses. Someone made $36,000 simply promoting this portable fan. Or how about I've seen someone make $90,000 promoting this Colon Cleanser vitamins on TikTok. People are making money every day using this strategy. And guess what? All you need to do is upload video. Yes, you do not have to buy any upfront inventory. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best products to create videos about so you can start making serious money. If you're not into this yet, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. The concept is simple. You create short, engaging videos about trending products, earn a commission, and watch the money start rolling in. I'm going to break down the entire strategy step by step, so stick around. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and let's dive into the details. All right, we'll be using a revolutionary tool called Virality. It's the only tool that you're going to need for product research. I'll guide you through how to sign up and how to use the advanced filters to find the best-selling products by country, category, and even more. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to use this strategy to start generating income from home. So let's get it. Before we begin, let's start by explaining what is TikTok Shop and what is this business called TikTok Shop Affiliate. All right, so TikTok has now released a new e-commerce platform called TikTok Shop. What does that mean? So let me show you. So I'm over here scrolling on my TikTok, and as you can see, here's a video of somebody wearing a weighted belt. Now, if I actually click the link on the video, I can purchase the product right from the video on TikTok. This is changing the e-commerce game, guys. No longer do I have to go to Amazon to find the product. I can be scrolling on TikTok, and if I like the product, I can buy it directly from the video. Now, why is this important to you? As you can see, the guy right here, he doesn't own the product. He doesn't own the brand. He doesn't even have any of the inventory in his house. What's happening is this person is simply getting money from everybody that purchases from the link on the video that he has uploaded. So if I come across this video and I'm like, wow, I really like that gym belt that he's wearing, and I buy it from the video that he posted, he's earning a commission, guys. Now, how much money can you make from simply uploading videos and getting people to buy from your videos? Let me show you. So we're over here on Virality.com. You can go to Virality.com and sign up. They offer a free trial. So you're gonna come over here, we're gonna go to monthly, all right? Now, as you can see, here we actually have the product with me. The top seller right now on TikTok Shop is this 15-day gut cleanse. Now, why is this important for you? If you are someone that's looking to get into this business, well, I recommend that you only make videos around products that are the top sellers on TikTok Shop. Because if you make a video promoting this, most likely someone's gonna buy it from your video because they are the top sellers right now on TikTok Shop. It means that this product has already been proven on the market. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the product. Now, what's great about this tool, guys, is that it makes your life so much easier because I'm gonna go ahead and click right here on relevant videos. Now, this tool is going to show me which videos are the most popular for this product and have performed the best, right? As you can see, it gives me a whole list of videos that people have posted that have gone viral and they have generated commissions. Now, let me show you how much money some people have made simply making a video about this product and posting it on TikTok. This one person posted this video, right? This one video went extremely viral. He sold more than $486,000 worth of this 15-day cleanse, guys. More than $486,000. Now, why is this important to you? Well, because this company right here is paying out a 20% commission. Now, do the math. What's 20% of 486,000? This one person just made more than $90,000 simply posting one single video on TikTok. And he didn't have to buy any upfront inventory, and he didn't have to handle any customer service. Guys, this is why it's so revolutionary. All right, now that you understand how TikTok Shop Affiliate works, then let's find you your first product to promote. Okay, so what I recommend, go to Virality, right? We're gonna click here on top sales. First thing, you want to make sure that you are clicking in the United States because we're here in the United States. And what I recommend, I want you to right here click on monthly. All right, monthly. This is going to show you which products have been the most popular on TikTok Shop in the last 30 days. And as you can see, this 15-day gut cleanse pill has done more than $2.6 million in sales. And here we have more, right? We have nipple covers, Kate's covers have done $5.8 million. We have this portable fan that you clip onto your pocket and it blows air up your shirt. This very popular new product that has just come out has done $1.7 million. $1.7 million in sales in the past 30 days, guys. Now, the first thing that I want you to do whenever you're doing product research is you need to ask yourself, do you see yourself making videos with these products? Right? For example, like me, I'm a guy, so I don't really see myself making videos with nipple covers, right? So essentially, the first thing what I want you to do is just scroll through these and see which product you see yourself shooting videos, right? And also, one thing that I want to tell you is that if you don't want to show your face on these videos, you don't have to. I've seen a lot of people just simply do unboxing videos of these products or just simply showing the product with like a first-person point of view and just talking about characteristics of the product, and that's it, right? So if you don't have to show your face, if you don't want to show your face, listen, you don't have to. But obviously, if you do show your face, from what I've seen on the top-selling videos, they are the best performing, okay? So first thing what I want you to do is whenever you're going through this list is just pick out products that you see yourself making videos with, okay? So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to click on this portable power bank, and I'm gonna go ahead and click on relevant videos, right? Now, all I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna go through the best performing videos, right? The best performing videos that have gone viral for this product. Now, as you can see, and you might be wondering, well, do I need a lot of followers? Well, you actually do not need a lot of followers to make a lot of money with this business. Why? Well, look, this one person only has 6,000 followers on TikTok, and they have made more than $185,000 with one single video, okay? Now, you may be asking yourself, but how can they do that? How did that video get 3.4 million views? Well, that's the power of the TikTok algorithm. All it cares about is just that you post a video and that video is so engaging that it keeps people's attention. So if you actually make a really good video, TikTok is going to show your video to millions of people, okay? So remember that. Now you may be asking, well, Dave, I don't know how to create an engaging video. Well, that's a beautiful thing about Virality is you can click on the top performing videos and you can simply replicate. So this is what I mean by first, pick a product that you can see yourself really making content around. So for example, here I can actually click on the video and we can watch it together. There we go, perfect.
This portable fan sells for $40 on Amazon, but with the link here, you can get a discount of up to 30 to 50%. This is my secret weapon against the summer heat. It has 5 speeds. I just clip it onto my belt like this. You can't imagine its power. It blows very cool air, making outdoor work a breeze. Additionally, with its stand, you can use it on a desktop. It even comes with a handy flashlight and a built-in 10,000 mAh battery that keeps you cool all day and can even serve as a power bank. The heat is rising fast, so get one before the price goes up. Don't miss out.
Perfect. All right, so that video seemed pretty basic. I can actually make a lot of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with this product. It seems like it's very easy to make videos that go viral, right? Some products might be a little harder, so I want you to simply just do video research before you decide what product to go with, right? So first, what I want you to do is go through the list, find a product that really captures your attention. Maybe it's something you're passionate about, even better, right? And then go into that product, look at the relevant videos and ask yourself, do you really see yourself in videos with this product? Okay, now that you've done that, now let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you some of my criteria, right? Okay, now that you've picked the product, now the next thing that we're going to do together is I'm gonna show you some of the criteria that I have whenever picking a winning product to sell on TikTok. Now, take note of this. This is very important, all right? One thing I want you to think about whenever you're picking products is you want to make sure that you're picking products that are less likely to be returned. You don't want to do any weight loss products, right? So what does that mean? Don't promote products that you have to say, hey, this product makes you lose weight, because you can't say that on TikTok. You can't do medical claims, okay? Also, I recommend that you push out items that can be gifted for holidays, right? So Father's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving. So for example, right now it's about to be September, Halloween's around the corner, right? So whenever Halloween gets close, I would recommend that you go and start promoting Halloween products. Make a lot of videos promoting Halloween products. I'm sure you're gonna be able to find them on TikTok Shop. So whenever Halloween's 2 weeks out, those products are going to sell out, okay? Also, you wanna make sure that you're promoting marketable products, products that solve a problem. What does that mean? For example, this is perfect, right? This product solves a problem. It's summertime right now, and that's why this product is making so much money, because people can clip it onto their belts and it blows air up their shirt. So solves a problem, right? And you want to make sure that you're picking products that require refills or replenishment. What does that mean? So for example, this type of product is freaking great because someone buys this product from your affiliate link. So they're going to have to refill, right? So whenever they go to refill, they're going to come back to that link. That means that you'll keep earning commission, right? So I love promoting products like this that require a refill because you'll keep having returning customers. Okay, so to recap, you want to make sure that you're promoting products that are less likely to be returned, because if that product gets returned, that's going to come out of your commission. You don't want to do any weight loss products, no products that do any medical claims, because then if you do medical claims on your videos will get shut down and your account will be flagged. Items that can be gifted for holidays, yes. Marketable products, yes. And products that require refills or replenishment. Okay, let's keep it going. Now, you want to make sure that you're promoting products that already sold more than 1,000 times inside TikTok Shop. Okay, now take note of this. Now we're going to go together on my phone and we'll check out the requirements together, but you want to make sure that you promote products that have sold more than 1,000 times. Now, how do you check that? Well, Virality will tell you how many units this product has actually sold. So as you can see, for sure, this product fits the requirement. This product has sold more than 258,000 times. So we're good to go on that. Next thing, 200 or more, right? So whenever you are a beginner, if you don't mind buying samples, then yes, go after products that have sold more than 1,000 times, okay? Now, if you really don't wanna buy samples, you can go to companies, go to products that have sold less than 200 units. Those companies will more than happy send you out free samples of these products so you can make videos with them because they want sales, right? So again, if you're looking for products that have only sold more than 200 times, you can simply come over here to Virality and simply organize the search from less to more sales. Okay, so keep note of that. So again, to recap on that so you're not confused, I recommend that you promote products that have sold already more than 1,000 times because that means that they have demand. But these companies will most likely not give you a free sample because you're somebody that's just getting started out. Now, once you start getting some more sales on your TikTok affiliate account, then these companies can actually see how many sales you have generated, right? So if you've done a lot of money, then they're most likely going to give you a free sample because you have shown that you are actually a good affiliate for other companies. But if you're somebody that's just starting out and you're trying to promote products like this one, they're most likely not going to give you a free sample because you're someone that's new. You might actually have to go buy this product, from them. You can actually just go to Amazon. All the big brands that are on TikTok Shop, you can find on Amazon, buy the product. It'll be at your house the next day, and then you can make videos with it, okay? So there you have it. Now, if you want to get free samples, then go ahead. You can go for 200 or more sales, okay? Next thing, reviews. Very important, okay? You wanna make sure that you're only promoting products where the store rating is higher than 4 stars. The product reviews for the product, they have recent reviews on the product itself. We're gonna go into my phone here together so I can show you guys how to check that, okay? Next thing, inventory, right? You wanna make sure that you're only promoting products that have at least 1,000 units in stock. Because let's say you have a video that goes viral, right? Listen, with one single video that goes viral, you can easily sell more than 1,000 units. Let me show you. For example, we have this video right here. It got 3.4 million views. From that one video, this person sold more than 12,000 of these portable fans, okay? So you wanna make sure that you're promoting products that have more than 1,000 units, because let's say your video does go viral, but that shop only had 300 units, well, you just lost out on a bunch of money, right? So I'll show you guys how to check this whenever we go into my phone here together. Just I want you guys to take note of this, because then once we go into my phone and we actually start pulling up these brands that we're finding through Virality, I'll show you step by step how to filter that, okay? Next thing is commissions. I recommend that you're only promoting products that are paying out at least a 5% commission on TikTok, okay? But this depends on you, to be honest, and how much you're willing to make. But I recommend you can start with 5%, get some sales on your TikTok affiliate account, and then you can move on to products with commissions with 10% or more. What's important is that you just get started and get to the rhythm of making videos every day, and then you can start going to the 10, 20, 30% commission products, okay? Finally, make sure that the product that you are promoting is marketable and solves a problem, right? So questions you need to ask yourself is, can you see yourself making videos with this product? Is it easy to make viral videos with this product as well? Check Virality, like I told you, look at the videos, look at the most popular videos for the product, and ask yourself if you see yourself making videos with the product. Now let's go into my phone so I can show you how you can filter this product that we just found. Okay, so let's say you find a product that you want to promote right here on Virality, right? For example, this portable charger. So you're going to click on the product, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search for the actual store name. So I'm going to come over here. I see the store name is Roommate Technology. I'm going to go home. I'm going to click on shop on TikTok, and I'm going to search for that shop, for that. So it's Roommate Technology. Perfect, we found it, right? There's the exact same product that we want to promote. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, right? So very first thing, remember, I told you, our very first criteria is you wanna make sure that we're only promoting products that have sold more than 1,000 times. So this product has sold more than 259,000 times, as you can see how many times it's been sold. Okay, now let's go on to the second criteria is you want a store rating higher than 4 stars. So where do you see the store rating? You simply scroll down, right? We're gonna scroll down, as you can see, about the shop, right? So they have a 4.6 store rating. They have over 9,900 reviews on the shop itself. That's freaking huge, right? Now, the next thing, product reviews. You wanna make sure you go to the product review section, and you wanna make sure that you're organizing it by most recent review. Okay, so we're gonna go most recent right here. And you wanna see if they've gotten, if they keep getting reviews recently, right? So right now we're in August 27th. The latest reviews on August 16th. So it's still pretty good, right? That means that this product is constantly selling. People are still leaving 5-star reviews. So I would say it's a safe product to sell. What you don't want is for you to come in here and the last review was like 3 months ago, 4 months ago, the last 5-star review. That means there's something wrong. That means the product's actually not selling. So check that, all right? Next thing, commission. So we're gonna go back here to the product itself. Now, if you see this area right here where it says earn $4.39 on each product sold, and you see they're paying out a 12% commission, so boom, that's really good, right? And is this product marketable? We've already determined that it is. It's easy for us to make videos with this product. Okay, guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you learned a lot. I hope that you took a lot of notes. Now, if you found this information useful, all I ask for in return is to give this video a thumbs up. It helps out with the algorithm. And if you want me to keep making tutorial videos like this, that's all I ask for in return. It helps my channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this, share this with your friends. And if you have any questions, drop them on the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Also, now for all of you who are really serious about starting this business, well, let me tell you about a community and program that I have built. All right, so I am one of the founders of Virality.com, the software that I've shown you, and we have all the data behind finding the right products and knowing what products are the best to promote. So if you're really serious about learning from the best and joining the best community of TikTok affiliates and joining the best community of TikTok shop affiliates, well, in the description of this video, there's a link that will take you to learn more about my program and my community and how you can learn from the best. So if you're serious about getting started with this business, I highly recommend that you get started right now because shopping season's around the corner. And let me tell you, October, November, December are the best months to be promoting products on TikTok. People are literally going to become millionaires simply just by uploading videos on TikTok. So if you're really serious about starting this business, click the link on the description of this video and I'll be more than happy to have you inside my community. All right, guys, that's it for today and I'll see you on the next.